双只手摇空，人只有婊子为白了心。你会在这心也到了境界，只不过就上了无情为我要新世界，爱空虚都不在话里有继续世界。
How's it going? How's it going, everyone? Is it working now? Crystal lost everything. Crystal lost everything. How's it going? Crazy day, man. Crazy day. 90% off, you guys. 90% off. I'm going to buy 1,000 accounts. Dun, 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 dun. How can I trade this? I'll show you my account. How can I trade this? I did Guardian. Okay, but I bought a whole bunch of accounts, did evaluations, so that I can use it, run to pass them. But let me see where I'm at. How's it going, Maverick? Yeah, I'm pretty clean. Nothing yet. Nothing going on yet. But I traded the other day though. Was yesterday or the day before yesterday? Yeah. But yeah, it's really, really crazy, man. It's just let the market to keep going and going. Yep. Nothing going on. Have not traded yet. Yep. Today I'm trading with my funded account again. Let me see. I set my stop loss here. How about my stop loss? The 8 points. Let's do 10 contract. No, 1 contract. Just kidding. 1 contract, risking 8 points to make 8 points. How about that? Trading with my funded account. Dun, 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 dun. A point is $160. Risking $160 to make $160. No, to be honest, man, it's super tight today. It's not super tight. The markets keep going and going. You don't know when to get in. I mean, I don't want to chase it, you know. I mean, after 500 points. But again, I don't want to short it right now. The market's like, doesn't want to go down, so I'm not going to short it. But like I said, I'm risking a point to make 8 points. See how it goes. Like I said, right now the price, we are trading at 450 and 488. We're looking at what, 35, 38 points? It's range. Is it today Friday? Is it Friday yet? Is it today Friday? What day today? Anyway. Yeah, today's Friday. For sure. I feel like I want to take some time off. Take a vacation or something. I'm gonna be honest with you, I kind of burn out. I am kind of burnt out. I need a vacation. But before I do that, I have to make some more money first. Make more money. Let me do some... Okay, let's do some promotions here. 90% off. Let me do some... yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to go anywhere. I'm not going to trade for sure. Let me do some poll. Here we go. Watch for that 450 to hold. The next stop is what? It's only 5 points. It's super tight. I'm not making any trade right now. Trader bait. Let me see. Trader bait. Man, for the 50K account, it's $16.70 or something like that. I think it's a good idea to buy just one account and practice, in terms of get familiar with. Yeah, for $16, $16.70 for a 50K account. But activation fee, in terms of if you pass the account, then it costs you $140. It was $130, now $140. They charge a little $10 more, something like that. It is what it is. Yeah, but 90% off. Wait a minute, I think you can do a mobile app too, I think. Desktop, I know for sure it's desktop. But mobile, I think so. I can Google it and check it for you, but let me see. Yeah, they have mobile app too. Wow. Yep, mobile app. Yeah, working on the iPhone. They have an app for the iPhone and an app for Android. Yep. Trader. Just broke that. Broke the 50. That's in the 45. Yeah, I don't know how to type, man. Yeah, me typing. Dun, how's it going? How it's going, you guys? Why are you typing? Why are you typing? I don't know. I don't know why I'm typing. You lost everything. I know you do. You lost everything. You lost everything every day, man. Tell me something that I don't know. Besides, lost your money every day. Losing money every day. Wow, look at that. Broke that 45. Our next stop is 30 and break that 45. Let me see. I might risk a little bit, but we'll see. 5 minutes, yeah. Okay. You're welcome to upload your own pictures in the Discord to show off your look. No problem. Wow, we are holding at 45 and up here 50. See if 50 hold. Or push through. Yeah, very tough, you guys. I mean, up and down 10, 15 points is very hard to trade. So I'm waiting. 50 out resistance level. Okay. I'll push it back up again. Crazy, man. Okay, let me put this up there. I don't have time for now. To extended. To extended. Don't know how to spell anymore. ED. Cannot spell anymore. Here we go. Here we go. Wanted attention. Crystal sound pretty confidence, man. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, not much going on for me today, you guys. Not much going on. Yep. If you can see on my Discord, on our Discord, I made about $700 the other day, yesterday, trading 7 accounts. $100 on one account, $120 on the other accounts, and that was very, very, yeah. But today I have not messing around with my fund account yet. Yeah. It take it slow. Like we're retesting that 450 again. It might want to retest the high of the day again. Maybe a good opportunity to go short. But right now we at the bottom of the price range right now, and I don't want to go short. Look at this here. It hit that 445 and then push it back up again. Look at 45. So watch for that 45. $45.50. Yeah, and I don't want to chase it right now. 30 points from 88, 55 and 88. 35 points, 38 points, 33 points. See if it takes right now, maybe I'll catch 2 or 3 points, but I don't want that. I don't want to chase it, that's for sure. In terms of going long, I don't know, man. I don't want to mess around with that. We're in the middle of the price range right now. No. Yeah. Yeah, the market doesn't want to go, huh, you guys? I mean, look at. It hit that 50 EMA and push it back down again. Push it down to the 9. And then touch the 9, push it back up again. It's just like untradable. Not tradable. Here we go, just broke that 50 again, 450. Oh, it's 2 points here. I don't care, just 2 points. No. Where you going? Risking 8 points. Yeah, it's just not tradable. I just keep saying that, but I took the trade anyway. But that's okay. I'm risking 8 points. My hard stop 8 point. $160 with my funded account. Yeah, I keep saying that, but I just took the trade. That's fine. That's okay. Well, I might get lucky, right? So. Doesn't look good though. Yeah, risking 8 points. Make 8 points. It's very difficult. Yeah, I keep saying that, man. Why should I short at the bottom of the price range, you know? It's crazy. I know, man. Sometimes you sit here and then you get bored or something. It just took the trade for no goddamn reason. You get bored. That's not good. But that's okay. I accept that. It had to stay below that 50. Yeah, if it break that 50 and then break that 45, man, I'm good. It doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. This is what happened when I get bored. There you go. Like I said, I'm risking 8 points to make 8. There we go. Come on, let go. Very scary. Well, You just go. You go. You go. Let me protect my account here. Okay, you go. Break that 45, 44. And we're good. Go! Oh, wow. Broke that 40. Just broke that 45. Come on, baby. Give it to me, baby. Ay. $70. Yeah, it was a very risky trade. But look, it might, this time it might go. It might go. But again, who knows, right? I mean, that's what trading all about. We must have our stop loss in place. We should take profit and things like that. So who knows? She can pop it back up and push it back up again to the 55 again. So that's okay. I'm glad that I did. Got out of the trade with $70 profit on that. Okay, 66.90 for the day. I know. I get bored, man. Just click on it for no reason. But again, if I know exactly what kind of risk that I'm taking, then I'm good, you know. Get in saying that, okay, what's come to worst, I'll give back $160, 8 times $2, $160. So knowing that risk, then I'm good. So with one contract, so. Oh, get bored, man. Wow, look like we're not touching that 51. Push it back down again. So we are in this price range right now. We'll see it break that. It break that 44, 45. I'm watching for that. I might take a very quick short and get out right away if it doesn't go my direction. So see it break that 45. I'll try it again, knowing that I have to get out right away if it doesn't go. Watch for that 45 to break. 44 to break. Ay. I try. Trying to put a bit in, but nope. Yep, it broke that 44. Watch for 44, 45 to hold. Wow, if break that, we can go all the way down to 30. 10, 13 points from here. I'm risking 2 points. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Give it to me. Yep. Okay, $160 with that trade. 8 point. Risking 8 point to make 8. Okay, I'm done. See you guys tomorrow. I'm good. I'm done. Yeah, that's why I was saying. You know why I took that trade, right? I mean, I was watching for 44 and 45, and I went short anyway. It hit that 43.5. I went short, knowing that I better get my butt out. You know, if like 2 or 3 points against me. But I'm glad that it went in my directions and caught that 8 points. Yep. Not too bad, $223. Yeah, 30. It went all the way down to what, 31? Push it back up again, but we watched for 30 though. Oh no, 31, look. Wow, almost there, yeah. That's okay, 8 points is good. And after that, we're looking at what? 2022, okay. And the next stop. 400, okay. I don't know, man. I got a feeling they will go to 400 later. If we break that up, 30 will go to 400. Yeah. Yep. And again, I'm trading with my funded account. These are my funded account. Okay, push it back up again, testing that, what, 44, 45 again? Okay. But I'm watching for 400 though. The break. The VWAP at 412. Wow. Wow, it went back and touched the 44, 45 and then came back down again. Mm-hmm. 430. Man, it break that 430, we're looking at 410, 400. One more hour to go. Is it Friday yet? Friday yet? Dun, dun, dun. Windfall. Yeah, I put in a request with Apex a couple of days ago. They came back, they denied my payout, saying that I was one day that I was 30% windfall or something like that. So I better watch. So I have to trade another 8 days, but I'm not worried about that. You know, I'll trade another 8 days and make more money and request payout again. But yeah, they came back and denied my payout, saying that looked like they employ very good software to catch, you know, your trading and that. They said 30% windfall or something like that. So or whatever, right? So I just go, okay, whatever. I'll trade another 8 days and try not to. Stick with my plan. Yeah, kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. Here we go. Come back and be testing that 45 again. Yeah, two wins so far. I hear you. I'll follow you. Wow. What is going on, man? 45 again? Did we go through the 45 or not? 44 and a half, 45. Push it back down again. Watching for that 45 to hold. Hey Flo, how's it going? So far so good, Flo. I made a couple of trades today on one of my funded account. $223, not much, but it's a win, man. Yeah, not too much trading today. Hey John, how's it going, my friend? How's it going, John? How are you? Awesome. John can stop by and say hello to us. How's it going, everyone? Yeah. Not much for me today, but I try, my friend. I try. But again, I just trying to be consistent, you know. Even the $100 here, $100 there, you know, I have to be consistent, man. I haven't been consistent at all, so I have to. Yeah, I'm watching for that 45 to hold. Go through that. Maybe I'll go take a quick long, but like I said, I'm risking 8 points to make 8. So risking $160 to make $160. Well, I don't know if I want to chase this right here. To push through the 45. Yeah. Very, very strong, man. Let me see if it's 45 hold or not. 1 second. Yeah, it's hold above the 45. Wow, look like I'm to push back again to the 50. Oh, you did? I'm glad you did. Yeah, update us, Flo. Appreciate, man. Update us and tell us what you're doing, how you're doing. Like I said, man, all of us have to learn from each other, you know? You just share your trades and that and your strategies and that. Very helpful. Yeah, for, like I said, with 90% off, you guys, to be honest, I'm not big in my, but for 90% off a 50K account, it costs us only $16. At the minimum, if you want to get into this business, or at least, you know, like testing your strategies in that, I think for $16 for $2,500, good idea. Just try one account and see how it's going, you know. But yeah, trade and build. You can do that with trade a bit. Yeah, trade a bit. Yeah. Welcome, man. Like I said, man, welcome to update your trading and all that. Yeah, for $16, man, I would buy it and try. And again, remember, when you want to, when you pass your account, let's say you make $3,000 when you pass your account. Right now they charge $140 to activate the account lifetime. You know, to activate funded account lifetime, $140. It used to be $130. Now it's $140. So I want you guys to be aware of that too. Had a lot of money, $140 to activate the account lifetime. So be aware of that. Oh, first of all, you have to log into your TraderBait, your account, and then you have to. Let me see. Yeah, I think they. Yeah, you have to log into your TraderBait and activate your account. Meaning allow TradingView to link with your TraderBait. Oh no, I can see it. Okay, we go. You go to add-on. I don't know if you saw. Oh, yes. I don't know why it's blacked out. Yeah, you go to add-on, right? Lock in, you go to add-on, right? And then trading view. Where is it? Somewhere. Right here. See right here, trading view? Right here? Activate that. It's for free. You cannot see, but right, the top right, it say add-ons. Add-ons, and you activate that. And then you're done. Yeah, it's pretty easy to connect. Okay. 30 again. I don't know, man. I don't think I want to chase it. We are at the bottom of price range right now. Man, they break this, man. It will go testing that a VWAP, but the market's so strong. Let me switch to a different account. Let me see. Where are we? Let me see. Okay. I'm watching that 430 to break. They break, so I can go short, but and I don't want to be the first one to get in short, but yeah. The support at 430. Push it back up again. Yeah, pretty tight. So I'm waiting. Yeah, not too much today for me, you guys. I play with one of my funded account. $223. So yeah, I just switched account out. Now I'm trading with a different funded account. So lock in profit on that account. I'm just waiting. There's nothing going on right now. Watch for that 32. Not much going on. Watching for that 32 hole. Look like we hold it 30. We break that 30, then we can test it at VWAP and 400. Yeah, I'm not going to lie, but I'm looking for a short right now, waiting. But knowing that when I go short at this price, I have to get out very quickly. If it's not going in my direction. Here we go. $30 hole. Hey. Yeah, very dangerous, man. Very dangerous to trade breakdown. Very dangerous. It push what? 5 points. No big deal. Yep, I'm watching for that. I don't know. I just can't find myself to go long right now. Market up 460 points. I'm watching for that 430 to break. Like I said, if I go short, I better get out very quickly before my stop is 8 points. Take profit 8 points, stop loss 8 points. 1 to 1. I know, it's crazy, huh? So I guess we have to be super patient, sit on our hands. Yeah, I do too. I almost took it, but I just want to wait for the candle to close. Push it back up again. I almost took that short. So just wait. And I don't know, man. I have to learn how to be professional, I guess. I mean, we've been long at the bottom. I mean, sometimes, man, I just maybe this is what I need to work on. Like this right here, very, very good support at 30. And I did most of the time that I cannot find myself to go long this level. Looking for short. I think that's the problem that I need to work on. My problem. Yeah, my issues. Yeah. Just go. I mean, trying to break that. Let's say if I go long at 30 and then maybe get out at 28, risking 2 or 3 points, knowing that this is very good support at 430 instead of looking for short. But again, I can go the other. I can talk the other way around. It's saying that get broke that 30 and then you go all the way down to VWAP. So the bottom line is risk management. I mean, wrong or right, just have your risk in place to protect your trade. Like I said, I'm trading with my funded account right now. Risking 8 to make 8. Look like want to go back and retest that 30 again. Push it back up again. I don't know. I still looking for a good short. A short. Once it break that 430. waiting. Take it. Believe. Okay. That's okay. My stop is super tight, Flo. I know you say believe. I know. And then again, these are my fund account that are very close to payout requests, so I have to be super conservative, right? But I know exactly what you're saying, my friend. Believe. Yeah, I only have 8 points with my stop loss, so it's just kind of, yeah. Unless I have 10, 15 point stop loss, then maybe I have some room to play around with, but that's right, man. That's okay. Just taking my time. No hurries, man. The market's still here tomorrow for us to trade. Still here tomorrow for us. I don't believe it, man. Tesla up $20 today. Netflix up $22 today. But look at Tesla, man, up $20 today. Microsoft up almost 10. Apple up almost 5. I don't know what's going on, man. Why are they up with all the problems that we are having? But again, we're here to trade, not to predict. We're here to trade and not to predict, man. Wow. 30, man. 430. Yeah, this is my issue that I have to need to work on, man, as a trader, you know? Knowing that 30 is a very good support. Instead of looking for a short, focus looking for a long, and then put a stop loss right here. Right at this candle at what, 28, risking 2-3 point to catch this move right here. So that's something I need to work on, not for sure. Yep. Look at 430 our support. That is 18 points. Take this long, you did? I don't know, man. Yeah, I hear you, man. I That's something that I need to work on. It's very difficult for me, man. I have to overcome that. That's okay. At the end of the day, man, as long we all make money, then that counts, right? Doesn't matter if I take in the trade or not. As long at the end of the day, we both make money, then we're good. Yeah. Up here at 450, our resistance level up here at 450 and 430. We're looking at what, 20 points, 20 points price range. So it's not too much at all. It look easy, but it's not. You have to be, yeah, it looks super easy. Yeah. Why don't we buy this and see how this tough? It's tough, man. And again, it's only what 20 points price range. It's very tough to trade. Only 20 points up and down. It's very hard. Oh, you did 100 points. Okay. Yeah, I know. I look at the chart this morning. It went all the way down to what 784, 20,784. Wow. Good for you, Flo. Which I lost everything again. I don't know, man. Get one of the Apex account and practice, man. Get one of those $16 and practice with micro, like 2 micro or something. It will take you forever to blow up the account. Yep, get one of those $16 and trade with micro. Look like we are retesting that 30 again. Yeah. Man, it's not news, man. It's not new flow. Mr. lost money every day, so it's not news. Mr. lost money every day. He's a billionaire. He can afford it. I can't afford to lose money every day. Mr. is a billionaire, man. I can't afford to lose money every day. I have to make a couple bucks every day. Will be a miracle. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Flo. We about what, 5 seconds? 5 to 10 seconds behind. Yeah, but you can see that my stop is super tight. And then the price range is super tight too. So there's no reason for me to take the trade. So I hear you. Yeah, unless I have like 15-point stop loss or something like that, so I can play around with, catching 5, 6, 7 points, something like that. But other than that, tough, man. Look like go back and retesting that 30 again, 430 again. Yeah. Wow, 12:30, 28, 30 more minutes to go. Okay, let's make another $200, something like that, to meet my $500 goal. Yep. Yeah, today I trade with take profit 8 points, risking 8 points, so it's very, very tight. And with NQ 8 point can go really fast, so I have to be careful. One contract, risking $160 to make 160. Yeah, super tight, you guys. Are you making any trade at all today, Mavic? Watching for that 430. Push it all the way down to 430 and push it back up again. It's 5 points. Yep, I'm watching for that 430 to hold. If I break that 430, then it might go to the VWAP. What the? Has to break that 430 to go lower. Go. Oh wow! Oh wow! I went to the wrong account. Let me see. Oh man, I went short, but 65. Damn it! 65. Here we go. Man, don't believe it. I select the wrong non-existent account. What the? Okay. Oh man, I would have caught another 8 points with that. Damn it, wasn't looking. Here's the VWAP. It touched on that VWAP. Don't believe it. Yay. Sometimes, man, did not select the right account. I don't know. It might want to go to 400. Enjoyed it? I know. Like I said, I only have 8 points. It might want to go and retest in that 30 again. That's what I'm afraid of, so I'm waiting. I hear you. It might want to go back and retest in that 30. And I only have 8 points to play around with, so I wouldn't rush it. Yet. Yeah, I went short at right here when it broke that 30. And then I select the wrong account. You see what I'm saying? It touched that VWAP and push it back up again. More than 8 points, it'll really take me out for $160. So I have got to be super patient, you guys. I've got to be super patient. See how touching that 30 again. See what I'm saying? It pushed what, 15 points. $20. Okay, here we go. 30. Well, too long, I'm out. Too long. I went long, but it's too long to move, so I got out. Broke even with that trade. Short. Give it to me, baby. Come on. Come on. Go. Oh, no. Come on. Got it. $160. You see with this one right here, push it so hard. and then I went long, but I gave it like 10 seconds. She didn't want to do anything, so I got out, and then she went back down and broke that 430, and then I decided to go short and caught that 160 bucks. Oh, scary, man. Like I said, I can do I can be aggressive, but I chose not to. The reason for that, because I only risked in 8 points. It's very, very hard to trade with 8 point with 8 point risk. Very, very tough. I don't know you guys buy that. Very, very hard, man. With 8 point risk in 8 points, tough. But I'm glad that I did. You know, I mean, I learned to take long. Not learn, but I have to take long if necessary. Like, but he doesn't want to go, so I got out. Make $5 with that long, because she didn't push. She doesn't want to push it. She didn't want to push it anymore, so I got out. Wait, and she broke that 430. Like I said, I missed 430 one time, so I took it and got 8 points. Not too bad. Not too bad today. Yep, give it to me, baby. Give it to me. And she did. It's very tight, Flo. It's very tight, man. Tough. What? What did you do? You just bought the account. What's going on? No. You know that we've been, and many of us been using Apex forever. But you have to be careful though, man. They stole your money. No, I'm trading with Apex right now. They did not steal my money. Yeah. I'll give you money. Okay. So just stay with Topstep then. What's going on, man? You just bought the account. What do you mean? Okay, man. Stay with Topstep. Yeah, but I have no problem, you know. But I hear you. Had a mean man. Apex stole my $16. Yeah. Yeah, Flo, man, you funny. They did not steal your money. But yeah, but if you familiar with Topstep, then stay with Topstep. But yeah, I was saying that, you know, for $16, if you want to practice and all that, and you don't want to spend $50 with Topstep, then $15 maybe give it a try. But if you're not familiar with Topstep, then stay with Topstep, you know. Yeah, but Andy, John, and I, and many of us are trading with Topstep for a very long time. I mean with Topstep, Apex. I'm sorry, Apex. We've been with Apex for more than 2 years, I think, or a year and a half. Yeah, they changed the rules and stuff, but we receive payout and that, so no problem at all. But if they no good, then I will not recommend them or trading with them. But so far so good. I have no problem. Very reasonable. They no problem. Yeah, like I said, right now I'm watching for that 430 to hold. Right now we up and down, and you can see that my draw up here we got what 44.50. These are my levels here. So hey Andy, how's it going, man? How's jury duty? How's it going, Mr. Lou? How are you doing? Did you convict anyone yet, Andy? You convict anyone yet? Very good, Andy. Very good. Oh, lunch break? Okay. But at least they pay you $15 a day, Andy. Is it enough money for lunch? $15? What for 44 and what for 50? Yep, 44 and 50. Let me see, I can switch to a different account. Let's see, which account should I trade? Up here is what, 44. Our resistance level at 44. Down here we get 30. So about 15 points price range right now. We're in the middle of that, so I'm not going to take any trade. Just wait. See it breaks that 30, 430. Then we can go all the way down to VWAP for 418. So I'm waiting. What time is it? 43. 7 more minutes, Andy. One more trade, Andy. One more trade before you get back. One more trade before you get back, Andy. Long it? I don't know. You go long, Flo. You do long. No, our resistance level at 40, 44 and a half and 450. So I don't know if I want to go long unless it break out of this level. See, I like to trade breakout and break down. Right now we're at the resistance level at 44, 45. So I wouldn't go long right now. Like I said, I only have 8 points, so I wouldn't go long. Not for sure. Yep, our resistance level a couple times now. It went all the way down up to 44 and a half, 45, and then push it back down. You see right there. So, and up here we got a resistance level at 50 also, 450. So to me, I would not go long. I'm looking for a short, not long. At this level, 44, 45. I mean 44 and 50. 450? Okay. What time is it? 45? 5 more minutes, MOC. Okay, Andy. Long, huh? 500. 21,500, huh? Yeah, it might want to go to the VWAP again before I push it back up, right? Is that what you did it break that 30 or not? It might want to break that 30 and before I push it back up. Let's see. All in long. I'm trading with my pundit account, man. I know go all in long, man. Apex doesn't like it. 30% windfall or whatever they said. It broke the 30. I supposed to go short, but I did not do that. 9 seconds. I want this candle to close. 2 seconds. What time is it? 47? I don't know. So close to MOC. I don't want to take the trade. Not for sure.
Son of Anjana, we call on you. Yes, we call your name.
Hasn't that 30 again?
We come with chants in our hearts, echoing the sacred hymns and verses.
Here you're long, Andy. Here you're long. But again, it's super tight. I mean, you can see up and down like that. This is like 10, 15 points price range. So
Grace and mercy by
up and
my
down 10,
side.
15 points. So it's very tough, man.
Each syllable.
Like I said, I'm just getting 8 points to make 8. So.
In the sun's early glow, I'm free. With every beat, the spirit clears,
About 47.
embracing
2.5 more minutes to go.
my ears. Ah. Echoes rise, the morning star.
Rocket.
In each
I don't
note,
know. It's
the
been
truth
rocking
that
the
star.
whole day.
Mantras
all day.
hum a timeless sound, where his presence is profound. The heart unfolds, the soul adheres.
Go all in long.
With every chant.
You can't do that with your funded
Grace
account, man. You
appears.
cannot go all in long.
Verse after verse, his name revered. Bhakti pure devotion.
A minute and a half to go.
sincere. Whispers to the cosmos soar, as Hanuman brings strength to the fore. In his love, fears disappear. Chanting on, the path is clear.
$30.
The dawn breaks through the morning.
30 seconds.
dew.
I'm waiting.
To Hanuman,
Like I said,
we
my
sing
hands up.
anew.
Off the mouse.
Courage flows
Not
in
messing
every
around.
line. In every heart, his virtues shine.
Okay.
Ancient words, they rise and fall. In every moment, to him we call. Almighty One, with mace in hand,
10 seconds.
bringer of
10
strength
seconds.
to this very land. Tales of valor, whispered breeze through the leaves of the sacred trees. In his presence, spirits soar.
I don't know.
Chant.
Okay, whatever.
Store.
I'm not going to take any trades, not for sure. No gambling, man. This is my funded account. No gambling, man. I don't care what Andy say.
Temples,
I don't care what he said. I'm not going to take the trade.
incense drifts and devotion.
I don't care what you
calls.
say, man.
Chimes resonate with a golden hue.
We still in this price range anyways. No going anywhere.
Footsteps echo a prayerful stance, lifting souls into a divine.
I don't care what you say, man. I don't care what you guys say. I'm sitting in my hands. One more trade. I will take one more trade before the end of the day. Yeah, it's still trading this price range. It's not. Mm-hmm. I'm out. That's crazy. $85 in the red. Crazy, man. It's just like, it doesn't want to go. I was like, yeah, it was 4 points. 4 points instead of 8 points. Man, I thought I got it, you know. Went to my direction right away, but did not follow through. My take profit is 8 points. Maybe that too much. Yeah, we're still in this price range anyway. Eight points. Come on. Give it. Got it. It was 8 points. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Green everywhere. Yeah, it was 8 points. I am done, you guys. I am done, you guys. Okay, Andy. Have fun. Have fun, man. Try not to convict anyone, man. Be nice to them, people. We'll see you tomorrow, my friend. Great music. Thank you. How's it going, man? And I'm trying to show how when nobody listens. Anyway, it's a good day, you guys. Let me see. About $400 today. Hey, man. That's a lot of money. 223. 450 bucks or something like that. That's fine. I love it. Making money. Love it. Well, at least I'm in the green today. And yesterday was in the green as well. So maybe one more tray? Or not? If it come back to the 450 and then stay below that 450, maybe we'll go short, huh? Like I said, I'm watching for 450 and 430 to hold. Support or resistance with those two levels, 450 and 430. Three and a half more minutes to go. I guess I'm done. Super grateful for today. To be honest, super grateful, man. Dun, 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 dun. That's 68 point plus 158. Wow, $450 today between those three accounts. Not too bad, not too bad. And yesterday was $700. Not too bad. The last 2 days, $1,100. Like I said, man, right now, I'm not worried too much about over trading or whatever. It's about consistency. That's what I'm looking at right now. Looking forward right now. Consistency. Making a little bit here and there, a little bit in this account, a little bit on that account. As long as above that $50 threshold, and be consistent. That's the key. Be consistent. Not worry about making $1 million a day. You know, a couple $100 a day, $300 a day, $400 a day. You know, consistent. Not worry too much about making big money. What I'm aiming right now. Consistency, my friend. What time is it? 58. A minute and a half. A minute and a half. Okay. At this level, I would go short, but for some reason I got out. I'm done for the day. 450. My goal is $500 a day, but this 450 is fine. It's close enough. So 450, that is 450. Yeah, no more trading. Dun dun dun. Get out from here. Yep. Yep, take easy flow. Wow. Pushes to the high of the date again. Yeah, crazy, huh? I guess flow and buying, right? Flow buying. Okie dokie, you guys. Thank you so much, you guys. Well, good day. $450 today. Good day. Thank you, you guys. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate you. We'll see you mañana. Mucho gracias, my friend. Mucho gracias, amigo. We'll see you mañana. Damn, I should go short, huh? Limit 65. 65, go short. I don't know. I'm done. I don't know. I missed that. Man, it broke that. Broke the 65, went all the way down to 55. 10 points. Okie dokie. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, everybody.